A warm welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make traditional Kashmiri rice flour roti or Tomle Chote, or it's often referred as AabeChote at some places in Kashmir. It's a dosa of Kashmir. This is an easy to make roti without much hassle. It's crisp and tastes amazing. So let's get started. For making these we need rice flour. I have taken 2 cups. Flour should be little grainy, coarse, not very fine. Oil or ghee, a few tablespoons. Salt, half a teaspoon. And lukewarm water as needed. You can add cumin seeds or carom seeds also, but I am not adding because I don't like the taste in roti. So first we will add salt, mix, and then we will be adding a few teaspoons of oil or ghee, whatever you are going to use. I'm taking ghee because ghee tastes nice. Then slowly I'll be adding water. We have to make a batter out of it. Keep mixing and adding water till you get a batter like this without any lumps. This should be the consistency of batter. Meanwhile, heat up the griddle or skillet also. Now with the help of ladle, spread the batter on heated up skillet. Spread it in a circular motion like this. Then cover it. After a minute, open it and take the cover off. Drizzle it with oil or ghee everywhere and cover with lid again. Cook till bottom layer is brownish and the pores are formed on upper side. Take the roti off heat and clean the skillet with wet kitchen towel, and then spread batter for another roti the same way. The flame should be between medium to high throughout. Make sure to cover it with a lid every time you leave it for cooking. That prevents upper side from drying. There, all the rotis are ready. Tomle Chote or AabeChote is ready, or it's called as Tcher also. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.